So please fill your shaker halfway full with ice.
I can do that. All right.
You don't really have to measure your ice when you're making your drinks. About halfway full is usually plenty because most of the time our liquors are at room temperature, and so you want to make sure that you get them cold and you get them cold quickly. That's good. That's perfect.
Would it be better to use shaved ice so that this would shake up easier and faster?
No, because you don't want too many bits of ice in your drinks. Sometimes sometimes you actually want to stir your drinks in ice so it's a little bit more gentle. Sometimes you want them. That's why they say shaken, not stirred.
Okay.
Sometimes that's personal preference. So we're actually just doing half and half here. So we want 4 ounces of our Amaro, which just so you can see, this is it's sweet, it's bitter, it's citrus, it's herbal. It's why don't you smell that?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Some people would really find an acquired taste. I don't want to say that it's medicinal, but politely medicinal.
Okay,
and then so equal. Oh, so actually we don't need to measure this because this was already measured. So this is the exact amount of the Amaro. So half and half.
And this is your take on this now,
this
using
is my
the cream.
Take. I made this up. I tested it for you to make sure that it would be.
Well, I know it'll be good.
It would be balanced. So and typically, so it'll be a little bit noisy while I'm shaking, but you want to shake until you see a little bit more condensation than that. You want to shake it hard. 15 seconds. 20 seconds.
Yes, I can see it's starting to change. Yes, the cold
it can
on the
get
outside.
really chilly.
Fast.
Some people say that 28 degrees is allegedly the perfect temperature of a martini. I like to shake it just because sometimes you get a little bit of the froth too. To keep this extra cold, I'm going to ask you please to put ice in both of those. Both of those
a lot
glasses.
of ice or just a
no,
little?
like again halfway.
Okay,
approximately.
Now I did my homework and I know that this drink originated in Bologna.
It did
in around 1885, and the Montenegro part of this is named for Queen Helen Montenegro, who was the second queen of Italy.
Perfect.
So I did my history homework.
I
so
appreciate
that's who this is named for.
I would expect nothing less.
Okay, there's your ice.
Okay, so then we just, sometimes with these shakers, I don't know what kind you have at home, but sometimes you just have to make sure you keep a finger on it so that it doesn't go too far away. And then it just...
looks like a milkshake.
It really does. And it's a little deceptive. I mean, if you like, obviously, if you like creamy drinks, this can be served at the holidays if you want a different take off of eggnog.